Turning off aim assistance in Fortnite mode can enhance or can give you more challenging and skilled based gameplay experience. And in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can simply turn off aim assistance across various platforms, for example PS5, Xbox, and all of that. So the first step is to launch Fortnite and navigate to the main menu, then click on the settings icon, which is the gear symbol located in the top right corner. Then select the controller option, which is the gamepad icon. Then scroll down to the sensitivity of section. Then ensure that you use advanced options is set to on. Then locate the aim assistance strength slider and set it to 0% to disable aim assistance, and press apply to save your changes. And that's a simple step-by-step guide on how you can turn off aim assistance in Fortnite. And don't forget that these can help you to be more skilled based in gameplay experience. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thank you.